After that first run with my Element RC Trailrunner, this truck is so sick. I love how it crawls. I love how it looks while it's crawling. The independent front suspension looks super cool, and it actually functions a little bit better than I was expecting, so that's super cool. There were two main negative things that I noticed when I was crawling with this truck, and they're not anything huge, they're just kind of little things. The first was that the tires were rubbing up in the wheel wells quite a lot, mainly on the back. With that solid axle, they just get up there pretty easily and scrape on the body. It's not much of a problem because this is the hard plastic right there, so it's not going to tear up the body or anything, and it's not obviously going to damage the tires at all, but just a thing that happens with this truck. The other thing was the servo was a little bit on the weak side, so I'll probably upgrade that at some point in the future. It's not a huge problem, it was just a few times it got kind of wedged in between some rocks and it just didn't want to move, so I had to do some finagling. It never stopped me from crawling over an obstacle, it was just kind of a nuisance in like 2 or 3 spots, so nothing major at all. If you want to see a full unboxing and initial review of this truck, you can click right up here on the screen for that video, and I'll see you over there.